case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1999, the Tennessee Supreme Court was thrust into a complex legal and medical battle in the case of Ashe vs. Radiation Oncology Associates. On the docket was a nuanced question of medical malpractice and informed consent, with roots in the groundbreaking Canterbury vs. Spence case. At the heart of this case was Miss Ashe, a cancer patient who declared that she was not adequately informed of the risks associated with her radiation therapy. Years prior, Miss Ashe had been diagnosed with breast cancer and had undergone a double mastectomy and chemotherapy. Unfortunately, her ordeal did not end there, as a lung tumor was later discovered, leading to surgery and a subsequent recommendation for radiation therapy by Dr. Stroop. Unbeknownst to Miss Ashe, this course of treatment came with not insubstantial risks, a fact that she maintains was glossed over by her physician. The trouble began when Miss Ashe suffered a severe and permanent spinal cord injury as a result of the radiation therapy, a scenario that she believes she should have been thoroughly briefed on. The disagreement centered around the statistical probability of such a devastating outcome, with Dr. Stroop arguing that the risk was less than 1%, while Miss Ashe's expert witness, Dr. Perez, contended that the risk was 1–2% and patients should be informed. This resulted in Miss Ashe bringing her claim to the court, not under allegations of medical battery, but on the grounds of lack of informed consent. The legal precedent established in Canterbury v. Spence was clear. A patient must be made aware of all potential risks before consenting to a procedure, and if they can prove that, as a reasonable person, they would have declined the procedure, a doctor can be held liable for medical malpractice. As a result of these arguments, the case was retried. The courts concluded that under the objective standard established in prior cases, it was necessary to determine whether Miss Ashe, if fully aware of the risks, would have still chosen the path of radiation therapy. Should those questions reveal that a reasonable person would not have agreed to the procedure with the full knowledge of potential harm, Miss Ashe's claim could find traction. While the Tennessee Supreme Court's decision upheld the objective standard in informed consent cases, the onus was put on the plaintiff to bear the appeal costs. Ultimately, this landmark case underscores the importance of patient rights, informed consent, and the delicate balance medical professionals must strike when sharing information about potential risks.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.